guys, what's up? Today I am going hiking with my friend Jordan. We're going to Kilagore Falls. It's about an hour away, but I'm gonna take you guys with me because I'm going to take pictures of her because I like photography and she wants to do a shoot with me, so that's what we're doing. Right now I'm on my way to her house. Let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so we made it. We are over here. The waterfalls are over there. We gotta cross the lake. It wasn't that far of a walk. When we get over there, I will set up my camera so you guys can watch it. Off into the unknown. go back to the car, eat some lunch, and then head back home. Catch back up with you later. We made it up that long hill. It was only like 10 minutes, but still, it's hot. We're sweating, but we're about to eat lunch, some sandwiches and some fruit, and then drive home. Alright guys, I just got home. I just dropped Jordan off, and that's the video. We went to Kilagore Falls in Maryland, and we hiked all the way down to the waterfall, as you saw. Now we got some good pictures. If you want to see the pictures that I take, because I do photography, but I do have a photography account, I'll link it down below. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below what you want to see next week. Don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you never miss a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!